If you want it,
Haitian All-StarZ.
Got it. From the tri-state to the islands, to the rest of the world and back. Get it on. Everybody got you covered.
Haitian All-StarZ.
What's good? What's good? You good?
Yeah, man. Yo, thank you for being here.
No doubt. Right time, man.
Also, we got producer BridgeTown in the building. Salute to him.
What up? What's good?
Yes. So, fellas, you know, your brand really needs no more introduction. You know what I'm saying? It's like, tell us. I know it's like, wow. You know what I mean? Who came up with the T-shirt design, and just tell us about the feedback and how it's affected you all since then.
Rob. Alright, well, I don't like to put myself out there like that, but yeah, I came up with it. The whole idea of
take the credit, man. Take the credit.
You know, I'm being modest. I'm trying to be modest. Yeah, so it was just one time, man. Like we were trying to really, like, we started back in like 04, 03, 04, and I really wanted to rock something on the Parkway that represents the culture, everything, you know. But I was one of them dudes that was like very into like fashion, right? You know what I'm saying? I did a lot of behind the scenes stuff, and you know, the runway and everything. And then I'm very particular when it comes to clothing. Okay. So now I was like, look, I want to do something for myself. So whatever. So me and my homeboy, we went to Kinko's. Okay. And he drew it up. Right. And he was just like, yeah, just make, you know, I was like, yo, I hit him out, I was like, yo, just before the Parkway, let's go out there, and we're gonna, shout out to Sandy, because this dude, without him, shout out to him, and this cat right here, he would, like, all of this was when it started. So he took me to Kinko's and was like, yo, this is how you do it, and blah, blah, blah. So I went to Eisenhower Park with the shirt on, and it just took off from there.
Wow. Yeah, everybody. And was it the same design, or was it a more gritty, raw, or more of a raw design?
No, this is
that same design.
This was more of a raw design. Actually, it started off with the Haiti established 1804 shirt. Okay. And we had Sak Pase on the back. And then one time at a party, it was actually a Labor Day weekend party, and the dude came up to me twisted and was like, yo, y'all need to put Sak Pase on the front and stop fronting. I was like, oh, okay. So we went back to the drawing boards, and then there you go.
Wow. Rest is history. And when we talk about the rest is history, what has the feedback been? I mean, tell us from 0304. From 0304 until now, crazy. Let's talk about that. That journey.
We really started pushing the Sak Pase since summer of 2011. Okay. And ever since then, it's been overwhelming. I mean, it's just been overwhelming because people want to rep their culture. And what better way to rep their culture than saying, you know, Sak Pase is a very simple term.
For those that don't know what Sak Pase means, let's tell them right now.
What's up? What's going on? How you living? I mean, there's just so many ways you can say it. I mean, you know, we've been saying it for over 200 years. Right. And we was like, you know, what better? It's a welcoming greeting, and everybody gets it. And not only Haitians, but non-Haitians.
Oh yeah, non-Haitians.
You know what I'm saying? And that's the beautiful thing about it. Like, you don't have to be Haitian to rock a Sak Pase shirt. That's right. You know, we want this to be like a novelty shirt. Like, you can rock it anytime. You know what I'm saying? Anytime, anybody can wear it. Right. And it's all about representing. If you're not Haitian,
talk to Miss Lily's about getting your brand in here, man.
No doubt.
As you can see, they got a T-shirt rack. So you know what I mean? Let's get the Sak Pase shirts up and get a representation. IET for real. You know what I mean? Nah, Miss Lily shows us mad love anyway. So we want to inject that in there. But let's talk about you know, some of the good stuff that you've been doing, because the way we met, you know, was actually I was at an event at Negril. It was a Kompas night. Yes. Remember that? Yes. With my man Freddie Boom Boom. Shout out to Freddie Boom Boom, you know. And you guys had laced this whole party that night, and I was very impressed with that.
Thank you.
So I think what impresses me about you all is the marketing. Like, you guys really understand it, and the promotion and marketing aspect. Because you guys did Freddie Boom Boom's party. I done seen Carry Me. Yes. You know, you got the Haitian bands run. Let's talk about that and the marketing that you guys have been doing to promote it.
Yeah, well, the whole marketing concept is basically like, it's more than the T-shirt itself. You know, like, everybody comes in, yeah, I want to make some bread, and it's like, if it was about money, we would have been quick. Right. You know, I'm dead serious about that. For real. So it was more about, look, if we're gonna come correct, like me and this dude me and Glad and I, we have a lot of history together, and Glad is like the marketing guru, if y'all don't know.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And we were just like, look, let's make the contact. And we were pretty much studying a lot of these bands. A lot of these cats, like we'll go to these Kompas bands. I was carrying T-shirts, and every time I walk into a club solo, I bless the security cat. I bless the DJs. I bless it. So now we were like, look, the DJs are the ones that's bringing all these people in.
Right.
And y'all need to stop. You know, like seriously, the DJs are the ones that are really throwing the parties.
Right.
Nowadays, the DJ is the promoter. You know what I'm saying? The one that's doing everything. You know, the footwork and this and that. So shout out to all them DJs, man. You know what I'm saying?
We work hard.
Yeah, we work hard. And I see the passion, and we kind of relate. You know what I'm saying? Fashion and
Thank
music.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So I was like, yo, it's time that we got to big up the DJs.
Right.
So so we took that chemistry, that formula, and said, look, bless the DJs. Just keep giving it to them. Give it to them. Give it to them. And then Kaimi started seeing them, T-Vice, and you know, a whole bunch of, you know, Haitian bands. And then now, with the connects that we've established throughout the years, and Glad as well, on the American end, they're like, yo, my wife is Haitian. I need that. And, you know, so we've established it like that. So that's the whole marketing concept. But like Glad right now, hands down.
Yo, salute, Glad, man. You're doing your thing, man. You know what I mean? And you know, I work at Voodoo Bar on Thursdays, and you guys bless Voodoo too. You know what I'm saying? I have a Sak Pase.
Oh, yes.
I have a Sak Pase shirt with Voodoo Bar on the back.
Yes,
right, you know what I'm saying? So I've seen you do that kind of situation. I saw Kombi. You know, I saw Sak Pase with Kombi restaurant on the back.
Right.
So that's dope too. How you're partnering with restaurants and establishments and promoting them as well as promoting the Sak Pase Dnalsi brand.
Yeah,
the Dnalsi brand.
Absolutely. It's all about getting in the streets, and you know, we're very transparent. So it's all about reaching out to the culture and reaching out where people are hanging out. So the best way of doing that is just going to the clubs and the lounges and just networking. You know what I mean? Just networking, getting it out there.
It's so simple, man. You just walk up, and these cats, you know, they a lot of love, man. We show a lot of love. I mean, they show us a lot of love, I should say, and we show it back. You know what I'm saying? So it's just putting in that extra work, and it's mainly at the end of the day, man. It's just about how passionate you are.
Yeah,
right.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying? It's more like we always say. It's more than just a T-shirt.
It's more than a T-shirt. It's more than fashion.
That's right.
Yeah,
you know,
exactly.
That's what Kim the Muse Charles said. You know.
And also, you know, outside of the Sak Pase, we also do stuff for the other islands. You know, so the Dnalsi is it's an island lifestyle brand. You know what I'm saying? We celebrate the rich history and cultures of all of the islands.
Right. I saw a T-shirt that you did for Trinity Night.
Right. We do stuff for everybody. So right now, predominantly, we have stuff for Haitian, you know, Sak Pase. We got Team Dominican shirts.
Team Dominican, yay!
We got KLOK shirts. So pretty soon, right now, we're in the midst of designing stuff for Puerto Rico, Trinidad, Barbados, Jamaica. That's coming soon. And you know, it's tough doing something for Jamaica because Jamaica is hot. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, so when we gotta come through correct when we do something for Jamaica. You know what I'm saying?
We're working a Jamaican restaurant right now.
So we gotta do. We're working on something really hot for Jamaica.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Speaking of what you're working on, is there anything that you're working on specifically for Labor Day this particular weekend, next weekend?
We are. We're working on trying to get on the float. So we're working those details out right now because we're definitely gonna be out there doing some filming, probably doing a little photo shoot for our website, and that's about it. Sunday, we're doing a basketball charity event at Springfield Gardens High School.
Yes.
Entry to get in is basically we're giving back, where we're just doing you know, bring school supplies, and we're doing that with yakradio.com. So it's going to be a fun time, and that's just another way of us just kind of getting out there promoting you know, what we're about.
Okay. Well, I see that you all brought a special guest in the building, a brother that y'all working with. Introduce yourself, brother.
Hey guys, how you doing? My name is BridgeTown, music producer.
Yeah.
From Atlanta, from ATL.
ATL in the building.
ATL in the building. You know, I'm out here coming to support the Dnalsi. You know what I'm saying? They movement, Haitian All-StarZ. Man, I love the work you guys do.
Appreciate that,
man.
Thank you.
They're incredible. These guys are incredible. The movement is ridiculous, man. So I'm here. I'm in New York.
No doubt.
I'm here.
And what are some of the tracks tracks that you produced that our listeners may know?
Well, the recent track that I produced is with Trey Songz. I don't know if you guys know a song called 2 Reasons.
Of course, yeah,
Two Reasons featuring T.I.
We got that.
I produced the track.
Yeah.
Also did a record with Mary J. Blige on Mary's last album called Love a Woman.
Okay.
With Beyonce.
All right.
I did that record. Got a new song coming out. I don't like to brag about. I don't like to, name drop. But
yeah, well, you got a name drop.
Since you asked,
radio.
you know what I'm saying? Since we talking about it,
right? This ain't TV, right? So you gotta drop the name, bro.
I got a new record coming out with on K Michelle's new album. I heard called Kate Raisin
from Love and Hip Hop, right?
From Love and Hip Hop.
Yeah.
The record's called Kate Raisin Man's incredible record. I produced with Troy Taylor.
Okay.
It's incredible, man. Y'all look out for that, man. It's gonna be. Can I
just say something?
Yes.
About this dude right here.
Yes.
Like, from young, like this cat right here, it's like he's just like musically inclined. Like the dude lives music, wakes up music, like everything music, and he's got a I
have music for breakfast. Congratulations, because you accepted a BMI award last night.
Yeah, that's what's up, man. I saw that. Like Nicki Minaj was there.
Shout out to Cash Money. They honored Cash Money at the Manhattan Center last
Congratulations,
night.
brother.
I appreciate
That's
it, man.
what's up, man.
My first BMI award.
And you won it for the Trey Songz song?
For the Trey Songz 2 Reasons.
Okay, so we gotta go into
this out.
For real, man.
Let me just say, are you Haitian? Are you from Haitian?
I am Haitian.
Wow, look at that. That's what's up, man.
Shout out,
big things, man.
Haitians doing big things. Alright, well, let's get into this 2 Reasons joint, you know what I'm saying? And then when we come back, we still got Team Dnalsi in the building.
Yeah.
We still got Kim the Muse Charles in the building of Phoenix Refine.
That's what's up.
And of course, my team, DJayCee, DJ1. Renee from Jeanne still in the building. We got Tay. We got so many people. You know what I'm saying? We got so many people in the building, man. Big shout out to Eve. Yo, it's Haitian All-StarZ, y'all. RadioLily.com.
With a smooth sound, Caribbean flavor, it's the Haitian All-StarZ in the mix.